It's been an amazing 7 years. Where do I even start to wrap it all up? When we started this brand, I was a young, first-time mom of a new little baby boy. He inspired this product from the beginning, and the two that I've had since have only continued to inspire me. After hundreds of thousands of slings being sent all across the world, nothing brings me more joy in running this brand than you. Providing our customers with a product that becomes something so special to them, and the relationships that so many of you have built from our community is so rewarding to witness.
This group of women is truly, truly amazing.
There's a camera.
Guys, WildBird.
Yay! You're the best.
Our slings have kept us plenty busy these last few years. The larger vision I've always had for WildBird is finally coming to surface. Today, we're announcing the launch of WildBird Baby. Today is the start of a brand dedicated to new products that you can love just as much as you've loved our slings. For the last year, we've been in development of our first several products. We've been hard at work in the late hours of the night, bringing to life napkin sketches and visions in my head. My purpose and hope for WildBird Baby is to continue developing the essentials with thought and purpose, to identify areas where we can invent, improve, beautify products that you may never know you needed. We'll be making products that excite us and beautify your everyday surroundings. And I can't wait to just see how far this baby bird can fly.